Okay, cool. Comes with one, looks like one carrying case. Yeah, just one. So let's go ahead and try it on the door. All right. Seen enough videos to know how to do it. Let's see if I can. I was going to say let's see if I can do it left-handed, but let's not. Okay. All right. So the bigger one is for a deadbolt, and the smaller one is for a door latch. So let's just go ahead and stick it in there and close the door and see what happens. Okay, it took 2 hands to do it, so that's the way it is. And then we take this and we just put it through one of the holes here, the close one. I don't know from the videos which way. Oh, yeah. Okay, so finger side up. Always do it on the inside of the door. And drop it down. So this is flush with the door. And there's no way it's budging. So, whether the door is locked or unlocked, it makes no difference. The door will not open. I'm pulling on it very hard here. So, yeah, cool. Love it. Alright, let's remove it. I'll just lift it up. Pull it out. Open it. Actually, I'm going to hold this so it doesn't fall to the floor. Open the door. And we're done. Okay, now we'll turn it on a deadbolt using the bigger side. No, this deadbolt is a smaller one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and then key side up, put it through the hole, slide it down, so that's flush, and it's not opening. Note the deadbolt isn't even closed. You can close it if you want to, I think. Actually, not this model on this door. So that's something to be watchful for. However, it's not opening up, so technically there's no need to do it anyway, although I was hoping it might give it a little bit more support. I'm going to put the phone down and wiggle it for a moment. Wiggle the unit, not the phone. But anyway, yeah, I found my order of operations was wrong. Once I put the metal piece in the door, then I was able to lock it, and then I attached, well, this is also metal behind here, but this locking handle mechanism to it, slid it down to flush. So now the door is not only held closed by this, but it's also held closed by the deadbolt. So, again, thumbs up, works very nicely.